Bonjour and welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching the markets in Paris, you know that November was a very good month to be invested in France. While the weather was getting colder, the CAC 40, the index of the 40 biggest French companies, was heating up. We saw a massive rotation this month. Investors stopped chasing risky tech stocks and poured billions into the heavyweights, the banks, the builders, and the steelmakers. In this video, we are counting down the top 10 best-performing stocks in France for November 2025. These are the companies that paid out the biggest gains. Let's see who made the list. Number 10, Total Energies, plus 4%. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the energy titan, Total Energies, up about 4%. In a volatile world, Total is what we call a fortress. While other companies were panicking about the economy, Total Energies just kept printing cash. The big news this month was smart money management. Reports came out that they are looking to sell a stake in a green energy venture to lock in profits. Investors love it when a company knows when to sell high. It's a classic, safe, defensive play that paid off in November. Number 9, Vinci, plus 5%. At number 9, we have the construction and concessions giant, Vinci, up a solid 5%. Vinci is the definition of boring is beautiful. They run airports and build highways. In November, they calmed everyone's nerves by confirming that their order book is full and their airport traffic is growing. Plus, they spent the first week of the month buying back their own shares. When a company buys its own stock, it tells you they think it's cheap, and the market agreed. Number 8, Accor, plus 5%. Checking in at number 8 is the hotel group Accor, also up around 5%. You might think travel is slowing down, but Accor says none. Despite some worries about the economy, they actually raised their profit guidance for the full year. They told investors that cost-cutting measures are working and that they are making more money per room. They also launched a €100 million share buyback, proof that people are still booking vacations and shareholders are reaping the rewards. Number 7, Crédit Agricole, plus 7%. At number 7, we see the first of the banks, Crédit Agricole, climbing 7%. This was a recovery trade. The stock had a bit of a wobble in October, but in November, investors rushed back in. Why? Because the whole French banking sector went on a tear. Crédit Agricole is often seen as the stable, green bank, and as the tide rose for financial stocks, this ship rose with it. Number 6, Euronext, plus 8%. Number 6 is the company that actually runs the stock market, Euronext, up 8%. Talk about a money machine. They released earnings this month showing their 6th straight quarter of double-digit revenue growth. But here is the secret. They aren't just earning fees from trading. They have become a massive data company, selling tech and analytics. They also announced they are paying down debt fast. Growth plus discipline equals a higher stock price. Number 5, Engie, plus 8%. Breaking into the top 5 is the utility giant Engie, up 8%. November was a scary month for some sectors, and when investors get scared, they buy utilities. Engie confirmed that their profits for the year are going to hit the high end of their targets. Basically, they promised certainty in an uncertain world. It became the safe haven stock of the month. Number 4, Société Générale, plus 9%. At number 4, it's the comeback kid of French banking, Société Générale, up 9%. For a while, people were worried about SocGen. But in November, they silenced the critics by announcing a massive €1 billion share buyback program. There is nothing that Wall Street, or Paris, loves more than a company handing cash back to shareholders. That move convinced everyone that their balance sheet is healthy, and the stock popped. Number 3, BNP Paribas, plus 10%. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the heavy hitter, BNP Paribas, up a massive 10%. If SocGen's buyback was big, BNP's was huge. They launched a €1.15 billion buyback program and upgraded their capital targets. This is the biggest bank in the Eurozone flexing its muscles. They are basically saying, we have so much cash, we don't know what to do with it, so we're buying our own stock. Investors loved the confidence. Number 2, Bouygues, plus 10%. Our runner-up at number 2 is Bouygues, also up 10%. This conglomerate does everything from construction to TV to mobile phones. They released their 9-month results in early November, and they were rock solid. While other industrial companies were issuing profit warnings, Bouygues held the line, showing growth in their energy services division. Stability was the theme of the month, and Bouygues delivered it perfectly. Number 1, ArcelorMittal, plus 13%. And finally, the number 1 stock on the CAC 40 for November 2025 is the steel giant, ArcelorMittal, surging 13%. This wasn't just about the company, this was about the world economy. ArcelorMittal beat earnings expectations, which was good. But the real rocket fuel came from China. China announced massive economic stimulus packages to wake up its economy. Since China is the biggest buyer of steel in the world, this news sent iron and steel prices soaring. ArcelorMittal was in the right place at the right time, riding that global wave all the way to the top spot. So there you have it, banks buying back shares and China saving the steel market. Those were the themes of November in Paris. Did you catch the rally in ArcelorMittal? Or do you prefer the safety of Total Energies? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for your monthly market updates. Merci, and see you in the next one.